Everlove TV once again megava doaka nyajojo ada ikenya nyajojo ike jojomle kumasi ike nyajojo ike gomo masenada ike leji ike magare bogbolo no nyaba nyajojo ya nekata alo Volta region ye nyajojo ya chufia enyere du komo kata ma sha masege kaka ye nyaba jojomle kumasi ya amomo samo nke jojom ni jojomle kumasi le gakoko ike duare pe nyeba ampaban and Pabin Duare Kenya number 1. Angry Gods River Gods demand 5 human life before resident can use new toilet facility. Ikami bo mi oseseme 32-seater toilet facility are government atuna duma motowa oba voduaro ikele duama ogwagomba aw ajebo konuna yo ple amade kare oma aton amagbeto de kare oma aton afi watin azan gaze hoya na aduana tin ano gaze yazam mi ejawagba mi kere video won ike ameyo ka ejawagba ayira afuma ike vaji story ami ide joy news joy news to oko video akodogo mi akpo video to yada mi akpo aleke nwoma oda nwoma da mi atrogbo.
The Ampabame Community Self-Help Toilet Project was started in 2005 in the Chumakwauma district of the Ashanti region. It was completed 15 years later due to financial constraints. Assembly member for the area, Richard Ofosuhene, says after commissioning of the project, patronage was low due to the shrine's demand for human sacrifice and had to be locked up.
After completion, we handed over the keys back to the chiefs and the elders of the community because they gave us the money to complete this particular project. After that, they also hired someone to come and take care of the project. So after 2 weeks later on that, we heard that the person said people are not patronizing. So we therefore tried to interrogate the person to know why people are not coming. Later on that, he told us that he heard of some rumor in the community that people are saying there is a spiritual or spiritualism on the tourists. Meanwhile, whilst we were embedding doing the work day in and day night time, we did not experience anything of that sort. Some people therefore went in to take off our ceiling fan, but we have fixed it back. And just that our meter for electricity has been taken. This is the fuse that I'm even having in my hand.
The 32-seater toilet facility sits close to the Bomofia stream and a walking distance to the Tano shrine. The highly polluted Bomofia stream looks choked due to the volume of waste in it. Priestess of the Tano gods, after what looked like an hour of consultations with the gods, told the news team the facility cannot be operational without human sacrifice. The declaration is scaring people away from patronizing the facility. The assembly member says he will work with some elders of the community to perform the necessary rituals. Here is Richard Fosuhene.
Nana said there is so many spiritual things that we should be done. That will be the appropriate way for us to do before commissioning the facility. So as she has said it, we are looking out for a day to revisit Nana again for her to do those things for us to commission the project.
The 32-seater facility will be the second public toilet in the town to serve the larger population if commissioned.
God so ikele vodu yokele kumase fe duma ma paji a Ashanti regional ogbogbo aw amagbeto de kare ka o ma ton yekogo yo alafi gaze homa ka otura afuma enwuna no huvu efi aduma mato watin waza gaze ika amagbeto na yaba adan godore ma azu amagbeto de kare ka o ma ton yekogo wala afi watin za gaze a enya jojo yare Bashama then a comment section Bashama go na Volta region the first story here may nya vinya go allow because na Volta region to bo konye vodu nwola wo konye nu yokanya holo nwola kumase enye aro Ashanti region ye wanaya jogom choi ika Bashama go it's one of the barbaric acts ika ajole kumase pe duma ika no wanya ba na tepe be wako amadeka reka o ma aton a sacrifice amagbeto de kare ka o ma ton a sacrifice afi watian ze gaze le duyama ke nye ehoro no blibo ike gods ma onye obi abiam cho edu ajachi akpa mi ja agba mi eja wa okpo video mo vo ta mi subscribe nene subscribe am ya pa wona wanya no ike ado am abale ko do gbo gba nene subscribe ye ne data ti mi ne like video amara ha gbodo ga plus so mi anya nu yo ka jojom le mi anu no duma akpa bana ja agba ekplo mi do le Everlove TV nene no ka make mi le Facebook nene le Facebook na yi dem ya pa page aji na I like page me yaro mi share ne vana Facebook plus so na akpo video ha lafma na onye bana subscribe in that notification bell at the on anytime me that video de kwa agbodo ga akpa bana ne e wo ha yakata na mi